Right now I will explain how to add like and unlike integers. Helpful ways to work these problems out is using integer chips and/or using a number line. I will be using integer chips to explain 3 problems. One thing to know when adding integers is you are combining sets. Also, when the numbers being added are the same, we add and keep the sign. If the numbers being added are different, we subtract and take the sign of the larger amount. The black tiles will represent my positive numbers, and the white tiles will represent my negative numbers. When setting this up, it is useful to put the positive tiles under the negative tiles so we can identify any 0 pairs we are creating. It is good to remember that any number plus its opposite is equal to 0. If we add a positive 1 to a negative 1, that means I have 0. Anytime I have a number and its opposite and I add them together, they don't exist anymore. They become 0. Our first problem is negative 3 plus 7. We start by adding 3 negative chips. 1, 2, 3, plus 7 positive chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we want, the signs are different, so we are going to subtract. We're going to cross out or get rid of the negative and positive pairs, the 0 pairs. 1, 2, 3, and we are left with 4 positive chips. So the answer is 4. The numbers being added were different, so we took the sign of the larger amount, which was positive 7. And our next problem is negative 8 plus 5. We start by placing 8 negative chips and then add 5 positive chips. The signs are different, so we are going to subtract and take the sign of the larger amount, which is negative 8. So we start by doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 negative chips plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive chips. And we are going to take away our 0 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are left with negative 3. The signs are different, so we took the sign of the larger amount, which was negative 8. And my next problem is negative 2 plus negative 4. This time the signs are the same, so we are going to add and take the sign of the larger amount. So we have 1, 2, plus negative 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're the same, so we are just going to add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is negative 6. And that's how you add like and unlike integers.